They try to harm us, yes, they try to run our lives.
Today, we pay tribute to one of Wales's most powerful voices, Mike Peters, frontman of The Alarm, musical innovator, and fearless fighter. From rising out of North Wales to rocking global stages, Peters's life was filled with music, courage, and compassion. In this video, we'll explore his journey through a series of key questions that reveal the man behind the music, the fighter behind the foundation, and the legacy that will live on forever.
If we take our chances, we'll create our own.
Where did Mike Peters grow up, and how did his love for music begin? Mike Peters was born in Prestatyn, North Wales, in 1959. He grew up surrounded by the raw energy of punk and early rock, which deeply influenced his musical style. His passion began in his teens, forming early bands and experimenting with sound and storytelling through music.
For every day, they try and trap us.
How was The Alarm formed, and what made their sound unique? The Alarm was formed in Rhyl in the early 1980s by Mike Peters and his bandmates. Their sound combined punk rock intensity with stadium-sized anthems, driven by Peters's powerful vocals and socially aware lyrics. Unlike many bands of the era, The Alarm focused on themes of justice, unity, and personal strength, setting them apart.
I cry with anger, I have done no crime.
What were some of The Alarm's biggest hits, and why did they matter? Songs like 68 Guns, The Stand, and Strength became anthems of resistance and hope. They resonated with youth around the world who felt disillusioned or unheard. These tracks weren't just popular, they were meaningful, giving voice to a generation. How did The Alarm influence Welsh music? The Alarm put Welsh rock on the international map, opening doors for other artists from Wales to step into the spotlight. Their success inspired countless young musicians in Wales to pursue their own paths, proud of their roots. What challenges did Mike Peters face in his personal life? Peters faced major health challenges, battling non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in 1995 and chronic lymphocytic leukemia in 2005. Despite these diagnoses, he remained active musically and personally, never stepping away from his passion or his fans. What is the Love Hope Strength Foundation, and why was it created? Co-founded by Mike Peters, the Love Hope Strength Foundation is a cancer charity focused on saving lives through music. The foundation has organized record-breaking benefit concerts in iconic locations like Mount Everest Base Camp and Machu Picchu, while also encouraging bone marrow registration and cancer research funding.
68 guns will never die. 68 guns, our battle cry.
How did Mike Peters continue to inspire even in his later years? Even after his health struggles, Peters continued recording albums, touring with The Alarm, and collaborating with artists. His commitment to community, creativity, and compassion became his defining legacy, proving that music could be a tool for healing as much as for entertainment.
68 guns will never die. 68 guns, our battle cry.
What is Mike Peters' legacy today? Mike Peters leaves behind a legacy of resilience, creativity, and activism. He wasn't just a musician, he was a fighter, a leader, and a beacon of hope. His music still speaks to the challenges we face, reminding us to stay strong, stand tall, and fight for what matters. Finally, Mike Peters showed us that music can heal, that courage can be louder than fear, and that one voice can inspire millions. His fight was never just about illness, it was about life, dignity, and purpose. As The Alarm's songs continue to echo across generations, so too does Mike's message of strength and hope. Rest in peace, Mike Peters, the Welsh warrior whose voice will never fade.